Thank you for staying with CNN. It is a symbol that can save lives, a red triangle with radiation waves and a man running. It was just adopted last year, but there was no such sticker to convey danger when scavengers went rooting through debris at a deserted clinic in central Brazil more than 20 years ago. UNTV has details.
Two families live at this scrapyard in the Brazilian city of Goiânia. It's also home to the world's worst accident involving a radioactive source. Its lessons still shape actions on nuclear safety and security decades later. It started in September 1987 when scrap dealers pillaged and then sold a metal canister from an abandoned medical clinic. They had no clue it contained a powerful radioactive source used to treat cancer. Cesium chloride, a glittering powder that glows blue in the dark.
He took the equipment to his dining room and called the neighbors, relatives, friends to show that glittering object. And small fragments of the source were taken, were rubbed on the skin, were given to other people as souvenirs. And that's the way contamination became to spread.
The powdery cesium spread undetected for over 2 weeks. Almost 250 people were contaminated. 4 died in the first month, including a little girl that lived here. The legacy of a handful of cesium is 3,000 cubic meters of contaminated waste. It's buried here. Goiania's plight brought global change. The International Atomic Energy Agency introduced rigorous safety standards for sources. Brazil now requires that each and every source is licensed for lifetime tracking to final disposal.
Certainly, the public and the environment are better protected now than 20 years ago.
Lessons were learned in Goiânia, but worldwide radioactive sources are still dumped and lost. Efforts are underway to assist countries to search and secure abandoned sources, train border guards to detect them, as part of a cradle-to-grave approach needed to keep radioactive material secure, so that what happened in Goiânia is never repeated. For UN Television, this is Kirsty Hansen for CNN World Report.